Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the Attribution Reporting API in Android's Privacy Sandbox. This is a huge leap towards balancing ad measurement with user privacy. Let's get started. So, what is the Attribution Reporting API? It's a smart, privacy-friendly way to see how well your ads are doing without using user IDs. Everything happens right on the device with last touch attribution, so no user data is shared between parties. There are two pieces of the attribution puzzle: the source and the trigger. In this basic flow, we start with the publisher app, where a user interacts with an ad by either clicking or viewing it. This interaction creates what we call an attribution source. When the user installs and opens the advertiser's app or performs any in-app event, this action is recorded as a trigger. The device logs these source and trigger events, ensuring the matching and reporting process happens locally. The Attribution Reporting API works securely by logging the source when the ad interaction happens and the trigger when the app event happens. This way, it keeps track of last touch attribution while keeping the user's data safe and private. Multiple attribution sources can be stored on the device, ready for last click attribution when the triggers are recorded. Now, let's talk about how the attribution data is collected and reported. The Attribution Reporting API aggregates the data in two types of reports: event-level reports and aggregated reports. Event-level reports offer limited data and are delayed, but still help ad networks optimize their campaigns. Aggregated reports are more detailed, encrypt data, and add noise to protect user info, making them great for analyzing campaign performance. As I mentioned earlier, multiple attribution sources can be stored on the device, ready to be matched when triggers occur. So, let's see how this works in practice. Here's an example of multiple ad clicks recorded on the device. We have 2 clicks from media source 1, 1 from media source 2, and 1 from media source 3. When the user installs and opens the app, the device matches these triggers to the most recent ad click to determine which ad gets the credit. Once the triggers from each ad network match with the sources, we will have 3 winning ads that will be reported back to each media source. This is last click attribution, but on a per media source basis. So far, we've seen how each ad network tracks their own interactions. But how do we bring that all together for true last click attribution? That's where an MMP like AppsFlyer comes in. When an ad is shown and the source is registered, the ad network instructs the device to redirect this to the MMP. This allows the MMP to accurately determine the last click attribution winner. In our example, the MMP registers all the sources on the device and then receives a winning report from the device across multiple networks. Sandbox then identifies the last click and reports the winning ad, ensuring accurate attribution and simplifying campaign analysis. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on ad tech and attribution. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.